Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add location on Instagram Reel. First step is open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on your screen and hold swipe left and select Reel. Then create a reel. Then preview. Then tap next. Scroll down and tap add location. Tap location and tap share. Then go back. Now you can see.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.